Lecture 1 deals with introduction to chemical kinetics and rate of reaction. What is chemical kinetics? Chemical kinetics is a branch of chemistry which deals with the rates of chemical reactions and the factors which influences the rates of reactions. So in chemical kinetics, you have two kinds of reactions. One is homogeneous reactions and the other one is heterogeneous reactions. Homo itself means same. So in homogeneous reactions, the reactants, catalyst and the products will be in a single phase. While in heterogeneous reactions, hetero the word means different. So the reactants, catalyst and products will be in different phases. So next concept is rate of reaction. Rate of reaction is defined as the extent of change of reactant or product concentrations over time. So consider the reaction AA gives BB, where small a and small b are the stoichiometric coefficients of the reactant A and product B respectively. So your rate can be defined as 1 by B into delta B by delta T, or it can also be expressed in the form of reactants, that is minus 1 by A into delta A by delta T. So when you observe these two relations you closely, you will understand product. When you express rate in terms of product, you are having a positive sign, and when you are expressing in terms of reactant, you are having a negative sign. This is because during the course of reaction, your reactant concentration is going to decrease. That's why you will mention it with a negative symbol, and during the course of reaction your product concentration is going to increase. That's why a positive symbol is being implied in terms of rate here. So in summary, to summarize, the rate of reaction is defined as the change of concentration of any one of its reactants or products per unit time. The rate of reaction is of two types. One is instantaneous rate, the other one is average rate. Instantaneous rate is the rate at a particular instant. Suppose for example in this graph at time t1 your rate is equal to r1, and at time t2 your rate is r2. So r1 and r2 are the rates at time t1 and t2. These are called instantaneous rates, whereas average rate is the rate which is measured over a long time interval. Suppose from T1 to T2, the entire rate is termed to be an average rate. I hope rate of reaction concept is clear to everyone.